Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable Poofy, Burlap, Rustic, Easter Deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring with the stems attached, 10-inch Deco mesh and 6-inch Deco mesh, some burlap and ribbon, Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So once again, the first thing I like to do is to raise all of my stems on my wreath. Alright, and then I'm going to start with my 10-inch brown mesh, fold it to a nice little point, and I'm going to place it on my outer stem. Twist it a couple of times. Make a poof, and the size of the poof, that is completely up to you. Make it as large or as small as you'd like for it to be. You can even measure the size of each poof if you choose to do so. Place it in the next stem and twist it. And then we're just going to continue repeating that step all the way around the ring, making a poof, placing it in the stem, and twisting it a couple of times. You can double up on the mesh if you choose to do so, but I usually do that more with a 6-inch mesh. However, you can also do it with a 10-inch mesh if that is your preference. It does make it a little thicker, and if you have two colors, you can separate out the two colors once you're all done. So when I make it back around to my starting point, I'm just going to make another poof, untwist my stem, place my mesh, and then twist it back. And then cut away the excess mesh or just continue on the inner ring. Lately I've been cutting it, but I think this time I'm just going to continue going around the inner ring. Alright, so I have cut my brown and orange mesh into 8-inch long pieces. You can cut them into 8 to 10-inch long pieces, whichever you prefer. And they're already pretty much in cute little curls. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crisscross them one on the other. Scrunch it in the center. Find my stem. Place my bundle and twist it a couple of times. And then tuck it away. I decided to go with 2 pieces of mesh in each bundle, but you can definitely add more or less. I'm going to add burlap ribbon to a few of my bundles. I'm just going to place it right behind my orange and in front of my brown. Scrunch it. Place it on my next stem. Twist it a couple of times. And then tuck it away. And I'm just going to continue repeating this step all the way around the inner and outer rings. And when I'm placing my burlap and my mesh, I crisscross all of them so that they're all visible and one isn't right on top of the other. Okay, so I've completed the inner ring. It looks so cute and precious. And now I'm going to add the rest of my mesh to my outer ring. Alright, so I have all of my bundles in place. It's so cute and poofy. You could definitely finish up the wreath here. It is so adorable. I do that sometimes, and sometimes I add a little extra embellishment. So I'm not going to add a sign to the center this time, but I am going to add a cute little bow just to add a little final touch. I do have more detailed videos on how to make decorative bows, so I will link those in the description box down below. But for this quick bow, I just cut some orange burlap, and I'm not measuring or anything. I'm just kind of estimating and making 2 loops. Going to take thinner burlap. Again, repeat the same step I did with the orange burlap. Making 2 loops, just estimating. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just holding all of it together. Adjust it until you like the way that it's looking. And I'm just going to scrunch it in the center, just like that. And again, I'm just adjusting it once more. Going to take a stem and twist it around my center. Pull it nice and tight. And I'm just twisting it a couple of times. And this is how I'm going to attach the bow to my actual wreath. Alright, so now that I have that in place, I'm free to kind of adjust it a little bit more. Alright, and then I'm going to just add it to my wreath. I'm going to add mine to the side. Just twist it to the actual wreath ring a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. I kind of round out my ribbon a little bit. I'm just going to hot glue these carrots, and I want to stagger them slightly. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. You can add more carrots throughout. You can leave off the carrots, leave off the bow, add an adorable sign to the center. The possibilities are endless. Just have fun with it and make it your own.